You'll take my life, but I'll take yours too. You'll fire a musket, but I'll run you through. So when you're waiting for the next attack, you better stand, there's no turning back. The bugle sounds and the charge begins, but on this battlefield no one wins. The smell of acrid smoke and horse's breath as I plunge on into certain death. Horses whistle fear, we break to run. The mighty roar of the Russian guns. And as we race toward the human wall, the screams of pain as my comrades fall. We heard old bodies that lay on the ground, and the Russians fire another round. We get so near yet so far away, we won't live to fight another day. So close, near enough to fight. When Russian gets me in his sights, he pulls the trigger and I feel the blow. The birds and rounds take my horse below. And as I lay there gazing at the sky, my body's numb and my throat is dry. As I lay forgotten and alone, without a tear I draw